By scheduling your blog post, you do not need to worry about publishing them at a particular point in time. You can schedule your blog post to appear live on your website by choosing a particular day and a specific time at which you want them to be live. So in this video, I will show you how to schedule blog posts in WordPress. Coming up.
Hello guys, this is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video.
Now I am in the dashboard of my WordPress website and I want to create a blog post now which I want to go live later. So to create the blog post, I hover on post, then I go ahead and click on add new. Next, I give my blog post a title. Next, I enter in the content of my blog post. What we need to do is go over to post. As you can see under status and visibility, when we click on publish, our post will be live immediately. So if you want to schedule your blog post, what you need to do is go ahead and click on immediately. And you'll be presented with a pop-up calendar where you go ahead and choose the month, day, year, as well as the specific time you want your blog post to be published. I want to maintain the date, but I'll go ahead and change the particular time I want the post to be live on my website. So in here, I change it to 05, that is 5 o'clock. In the minutes, I'll make it 40. I can either choose AM or PM depending upon the particular time I need my post to be published. I'll go with AM. So after choosing all this, I just go ahead and click back on the date. Going down, I can choose a category for my blog post. I can also go ahead and set a featured image. I select this, then I go ahead and schedule my blog post. Post is scheduled.
If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out so that the video will be suggested to more people on YouTube and also benefit more people. Alright, let's continue.
Now if I go to the front end of my website, then I go over to blog, you wouldn't see the blog posts I just published because it is not live on the website yet. Now if I go back to the back end of my website, then I go over to all posts, you see that I have my new blog post on top and it is set to schedule, as you can see right here. If you have more scheduled blog posts and you want to view them all at once, you can go over to schedule right here. As you can see here, at the moment I have only one scheduled blog post. If I click on it, I'll be presented with all scheduled blog posts. Now I'm going to give it a moment, maybe in the next 2-3 minutes, so that I come back to it and refresh this particular interface to see the results we will get. Alright, the time is 5:40 a.m. as you can see here, and the date is 5th September 2022. Now let me go ahead and refresh this page. You see that the scheduled blog post is gone. If I go back to all posts, you'll see it right here, and the schedule feature is off. Now if I go to the front end of my website, you see that this is the very blog post on top. If I go ahead and refresh, you will now see the new blog post I've just scheduled. Awesome. So this is how simple it is to schedule blog posts in WordPress. It should be noted that you are not only limited to scheduling blog posts, you can also go ahead and schedule pages, WooCommerce product, or any other content type you have on your website. Let me give you a demonstration of that. Now if I go to the back end of my website, then I go over to pages, click on add new. Under status and visibility, you see that under publish, we have immediately. If I click on it, you see the calendar pop up where you can go ahead and set the date and the time. Similarly, if I go over to WooCommerce products, then I click on add new. Under publish, you see that it is set to publish immediately. If I don't want to publish my product immediately, I can click on edit right here. This time around, we are not being presented with a pop-up calendar. However, the process is the same. So all what you need to do is set the month from here, then you choose the day and also go ahead and set the time. When that is done, you go ahead and click on OK and then publish your product. So that's it on how to schedule blog posts in WordPress.
Alright guys, I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification bell so that Each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know.
If you are looking for the fastest way to creating a blog post for your website, make sure you stick around to watch the video on your screen right now. Keep watching and I'll see you inside that video.